Hello guys, welcome to the DFS channel. So today's video we are going to be discussing about this boom and crash scalping strategy, okay? And the strategy right here is as sweet as the strategy was described. This strategy was sent to me by some of my mentees, and he said the strategy is very effective and is accuracy. Me as well, I test this strategy and I figure out that this strategy is very profitable, and that is why I'm sharing this strategy with you guys. So stay tuned, watch this video to the end. And if you haven't, if you are someone that like to watch the settings of the strategy without you watching how you are going to take an entry with the strategy you are doing yourself, because the strategy you need to understand what are you dealing with, what are the things you need to see before you take any entries with a strategy. So that is why you have to make sure you watch this video to the end. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, if you haven't subscribed, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and also turn on post notification. Anytime you post new strategy, you guys will be aware. Okay, so you found out that this strategy is very effective, then comment down below and let me know what you think about the strategy. Now, with that being said, let's proceed with the strategy. Now, for some of you that like to watch the settings we are going to talk about it at the end of the video. So I'm going to explain how the strategy works, then we dive into the settings of the strategy. But I want to give you guys a clue, understanding about what you are dealing with. Now, what you are seeing on the chart, the two moving average right, the two line right here is the moving average. Okay, the on our indicator window one, we can see we have this MACD volume and MACD line, which is the red line, and we also have this parabolic saw. So that's the indicator we are going to be dealing with when we are using this strategy. Now, how do you take a trade with this strategy? Now, this strategy right here is guarantee you one thing. Okay, and what is that thing that this strategy guarantee you is that you are going to be able to catch up to 50 candles with this strategy alone. Now, counting now 30 from the peak. Now you can see that if you count this candle right here up to this area right here, you can see that right here this is even up to 100 candles. So that is the candles that the strategy guarantee you. You can even catch up to 100 candles with this strategy alone. So stay tuned and let's proceed. Now, how do we take a trade with this strategy? Firstly, you want to see where the market creates a lot of spike. Now, that is what matters most whenever we are trading. Now, this area right here, this area that I just draw, let me use this to draw this area. And this area right here, starting from here down to here. Now, you can see that we have a lot of spike in the market. The market keep on spiking. The market keep on spiking. So we have a lot of spike right at this area. Now, once you see that, then the next thing we want to do is now that you want to now see where the MACD volume cost comes straight to this peak right here, to the 15 levels of the RSI. Okay, it has to go to 15 levels of the RSI. Now, not only the MACD volume come to the 15 levels, the parabolic saw also have to come to the 15 levels. Now, sometimes the MACD might come straight to the 15 levels and the parabolic saw might not come to the 15 levels. If you see that kind of setup, now this is what area I'm talking about. You can see that the MACD come to the 15 levels, but the parabolic saw does not come to the 15 levels. Now, if you see that type of entry, do not take a trade as it's going to be a losing trade. Do not take a trade. You want to see where the MACD comes to the 15 levels, and also the parabolic saw also comes to the 15 levels. That is what you want to see. Now, once you see that, which happens right here, now you are now looking for the MACD line to break above the parabolic saw volume, which you can see right here. It break above the parabolic saw volume. Okay, so let me zoom so you guys can see it right here. Now this is where it break above the parabolic saw. Okay, see the parabolic saw dot, and this is the MACD line. You have to break above it. When you break above it, then you look into your main chart. Now you want to now see that the first moving average, which is the blue, which is the green moving average, cross above the purple moving average, which happens right at this spot. Once you see that, then you're now going to count 4 candles. Okay, so talking about this candle right here, this 4 candle right here. So this is the candle I'm talking about. Now, after you see that the price candle, this candle, you enter at the 5th candles. After you enter at 5th candles, then you hold your trade till where you feel comfortable of taking your profit. Now, very simple and it's very straightforward. Okay, so let's go to crash now to look for another trading setup. Now here I'm crash. I'm on. Let's go to boom. Sorry, here I'm boom 500. Now you can see you have a recent trade right here. So I'm using the recent price move. Now, what are we looking for? We want to see that the MACD come straight to the 85 levels, and the parabolic star also come to the 85 levels. So that is what we want to see. Now after we see that, then we want to now see that the MACD line break below the parabolic reserve volume. Once you break below it, then you look into your main chart, and what are the things you are looking for. You need to see where this green line right here break below the purple line, and you also see that the price break below it as well. Okay, so once you see this confirmation, that happens right here, then you are now going to wait for 4 candles, which I'm talking about this candle right here, this candle, this candle, and this candle. Now your entries will be at this candle. Now that is the area we are going to enter your trade. Now you can see that right here we have a spike. Now this spike right here, you don't have to pick up, you don't have to scared. Okay, as long as the price does not break below the last area where the price spike, which is this area right here, so the trade is still valid. So you still holding your trade, and you can see that the price eventually move into your uh your area. Okay, you can see this is even up to red candles as well. So that is how you take a trade with this strategy. So for this video not too long, that is how you take a trade with this strategy. Now if you have any question concerning the strategy, don't forget to contact us on WhatsApp, or you can text us on Telegram. Now let me show you guys settings for the strategy. Now go to this area right here, so look for where you are going to add all your indicators. Now this one is that not necessarily. Now we're talking about the moving average right here, the second moving average. Now first moving average, this is the parameters. Now the period is 10, shift is 0, method is simple, apply to close, using color of your choice, click on save. Now the second moving average is that the period is 20, shift is 0, method is simple, apply to close, using color of your choice, click on save. Now for the next indicator, which is RSI, MACD, and the parabolic star, click on this F icon again, search for your RSI, then period is 6, apply to close, we don't need this time, and the levels we need 15, and the 12 levels, then black color, go back and click on save. Now once you add the RSI up, it's going to be on your indicator window 1. Now click on this F icon right here to add the MACD up. Click on the MACD. Fast EMA is 11, slow EMA is 19, MACD SMA is 6, apply to close, using color of your choice, then click on save. Go back, and for the parabolic style, click on this F icon, search for parabolic style and click on it. Now for the parabolic style, the step is 0.030, maximum is 0.300, using the style of your choice, then click on save. So that is the setting you are going to be using for this strategy. Okay, so I hope you guys find this video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on post notification anytime I post new strategy. You guys will be aware. Thank you guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.